Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the cord and casing. Trim frayed ends, add an eaglet if needed, and attach a closed safety pin to one drawstring end. Insert the pinned end into one hood opening and gently push it into the inner tunnel while you hold the other end steady. Move slowly to feed the pin. This helps the pin glide and prevents bunching. If the fabric bunches, pause and smooth the casing as you go to keep the path clear. Once the pin is in the tunnel, continue feeding it while guiding the fabric with your free hand. Push a little, then hold and pull the fabric taut to ease the pin forward. This prevents knots and internal twists. If you hit resistance, back the pin out a bit and try a slightly different angle so the pin finds the open channel. Make sure the cord isn't doubling back. Keep both ends visible. This method keeps movement controlled and protects the stitching as you progress. When the cord emerges, pull both ends so the drawstring sits centered and even. Tie simple knots or add toggles to prevent slipping. If the safety pin slips into the casing, don't tug hard. Use tweezers at the opening or carefully unpick a small section of seam to retrieve it. For a stubborn blockage, insert a longer pin or reroute from the opposite side. Once done, test by tightening and loosening. This verifies smooth travel and confirms you won't need further adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.